Want to take your transitions from this to this but don't know where to start? In this video, you'll learn how to add custom graphs to your edits like a pro. First, start with two scenes. Select the first scene and open multilayer. Add your clip, then go to the Edit Keyframe screen. Scroll to the end of the timeline, drag your clip to the right. If there is extra space on the top or bottom of the clip, press Options, then center vertically. Now tap here to select a graph to control the speed and pacing of the transition. Choose from one of the presets, or tap Custom to create your own. When creating graphs, you have two options, Spline or Bezier curves. Let's start with the user's favorite, Bezier. Think of the left side of the grid as the start of the clip and the right as the end. For example, with a graph like this, the transition will start fast and end slow. This is called an in graph. While a graph like this, the transition will start slow and end fast. This is an out graph. You may have heard the term mid graph. Here's how to make one. Drag the left control point to the bottom right and the right control point to the top left. The transition now occurs in the middle rather than the start or end. Move the points closer for a slower, smoother look and farther apart for a faster transition. When working with most basic transitions, an out graph is common for the first scene, while an in graph is common for the second. That way a transition starts at the end of the scene and ends at the beginning of the second. To replicate this out graph using Spline, tap the plus to add a control point, then drag to position it. If the curve steps outside of the grid, the transition will bounce backward. To prevent this, add a second control point here and drag upwards. Alternatively, you can purposefully bounce or loop graphs by pressing here. Choose the number of cycles and watch your graph repeat. The bounce feature can be useful when paired with our 3D butterfly object to animate its wings. Tap here to turn this feature off. Want a closer look at the curve? Pinch to zoom, drag to pan around, and double tap to reset the view. Tap here to enable or disable straight paths. Here to delete all control points, or here to copy this graph to paste it to another layer. You can also save this graph as a QR code to share with your friends. When done, go back to the multilayer main screen, add a mirroring option, and tracking blur. Now create the clip. Open the second scene in multilayer, move to the end of the timeline, and add an in graph. Once again, add the same mirroring options and tracking blur, then create. Congratulations! You've successfully created your first transition using custom graphs. What will you create next?